Can you hear the heartbeat of a continent rising? Tonight is not just a celebration. Tonight is a testimony. Tonight is a story of resilience, a story of courage, a story of victory. Africa, stand up! The giant is awake, the spirit is alive, the future is here. I came from a place where the dreams felt distant, where every sunrise carried another mission, where the children looked up to the stars at night, believing one day they would find their light. Many roads were broken, many promises unspoken, many hearts were hurting, many voices softly spoken. But we never surrendered, never lost our direction. Every struggle became fuel, every setback a lesson. I remember walking miles under burning sunlight, holding on to faith when nothing felt right. Yeah, something deep inside kept saying move ahead, keep pushing forward, never fear what lies ahead. The story wasn't easy, the path wasn't smooth, but greatness was waiting and we had something to prove. Raise your hands if you've been through pain. Raise your hands if you danced through rain. Raise your hands if you fought your fears. Raise your hands for all those years. Tonight we celebrate survival. Tonight we celebrate revival. Tonight we celebrate arrival to a future that's undeniable. We dey rise, we dey shine, we dey conquer every mountain in our time. We dey grow, we dey glow, we dey show the whole world what we know. Dance to the rhythm, move to the baseline, feel every heartbeat, everything align. Africa rise, Africa shine, Africa forever. Future is mine. Hey, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Skiddy bum, bum, bum. Skiddy bum, skiddy bum, skiddy bum, bum, bum. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, everybody, move closer. Left side, right side, right side. Jump high, jump high. One people, one rhythm, one continent, one vision. The whole crowd singing, the whole world listening. Boom, 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 boom. Look around and see the beauty we possess. Every nation carrying stories of success. Every language carrying wisdom from the past, building foundations that forever gonna last. I see artists creating, I see dreamers innovating, I see leaders motivating, I see generations elevating. From the market full of life to the city shining bright, from the villages at dawn to the skylines in the night, we are writing new chapters, turning pain into power, planting seeds for tomorrow, watching greatness bloom like flowers. No matter where you're from, no matter who you are, every dream can travel, every dream can go far. Believe in your purpose, believe in your voice, believe in your future, believe in your choice. We dey rise, we dey shine, we dey conquer every mountain in our time. We dey grow, we dey glow, we dey show the whole world what we know. Africa rise, Africa shine, Africa forever. Future is mine. Africa rise, Africa shine, Africa forever. Future is mine. When the world said do it, we kept moving. When the world said stop, we kept proving. When the world said no, we kept building. When the world doubted, we kept winning. Because greatness lives within us, because courage lives within us, because history lives within us, because destiny lives within us. Every child deserves a future, every family deserves hope, every dream deserves a chance, every soul deserves to grow. Every the whole stadium exploding. Everybody dancing, everybody singing, everybody feeling the energy rising. Waza, 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 move your shoulders. Waza, waza, move your feet. Turn around, touch the sky. Let the music set you free tonight. Listen, the road to greatness is never easy. The road to success is never straight, but every champion has a story. Every winner has a struggle. Every giant started small. Never forget them. Your dreams matter. Your voice matters. Your journey matters. Keep going, keep going, keep believing. The sun, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun keeps shining over our future. The next generation carrying the torch, building bridges across every border, lighting fires that nobody can scorch. Young kings rise, young queens rise, new dreams rise, new visions rise. The future belongs to the fearless. The future belongs to the brave. The future belongs to the people who never stop chasing their way. Your fears. Raise your hands for all those years. I came from a place where the dreams felt distant, where every sunrise carried another mission, where the children looked up to the stars at night, believing one day they would find their light. Many roads were broken, many promises unspoken, many hearts were hurting, many voices softly spoken, but we never surrendered, never lost our direction. Every struggle became fuel, every setback a lesson. I remember walking miles under burning sunlight, holding on to faith when nothing felt right. Yet something deep inside kept saying move ahead, keep pushing forward, never fear what lies ahead. The story wasn't easy, it wasn't smooth, the path wasn't smooth, but greatness was waiting, and we had something to prove. Listen, I came from a place where the dreams felt distant, where every summer carried another mission, where the children looked up to the stars at night, believing one day they would find their light. Many roads were broken, many promises unspoken, many hearts were hurting, many voices softly spoken, but we never surrendered, never lost our direction. Every struggle became fuel, every setback a lesson. I remember walking miles under burning sunlight, holding on to faith when nothing felt right, yet something deep inside